happy International Women's Day to all of you. जो एक विमेन है वो हमारे लाइफ में एक सिग्निफिकेंट रोल प्ले करती है, बीट बी मदर, बीट बी ग्रैंड मदर या फिर सिस्टर या फिर बहुत सारे वो सिग्निफिकेंट रोल प्ले करती है और वो भीड़ में भी खुद को रिकॉग्नाइज करा सकती है. उसके पास वो क्षमता होती है, वो कैपेबिलिटी होती है एंड शी हैज द पावर टू टेक डिसीजन and worthy decision that can change our society in a good direction. So first of all, we should have some grateful sense for all the women that were playing a great role in our life. तो अब सारे वुमेन को यहाँ पे प्रेजेंट कर पाना पॉसिबल नहीं है, तो मैंने कुछ एग्जांपल्स लिए हैं जो हमें मोटिवेट करती हैं टू डू समथिंग ग्रेट इन आवर लाइफ. तो जो फर्स्ट एग्जांपल है वो मदर टेरेसा. She had sacrificed her entire life for the needy people and she worked for peace and harmony for the well-being of our society. Then the second woman would be Dr. Kadambini Ganguly. She was the first Indian woman who had plunged into the field of medicines, Western medicines. Then Shanti Tigga, her story was quite inspiring because she was a mother of 2 children and still she had joined the Indian Army. So that was quite inspiring. Then Bachendri Pal, she was a bold Indian woman who had climbed the summit of the Mount Everest. Then Pratibha Devi Singh Patil, she was the first women president of India. Then Mary Kom, we all know her very well. She was the world champion Mary Kom, who had the very first woman who had plunged into the field of boxing. Then Fatima Bibi, she was the first female Supreme Court judge. And then Kalpana Chawla, we all know her. She was the very first woman of India who had flied to the space. Then Nirmala Sitharaman, she was finance minister of India. Then Avani Chaturvedi, she was the first Indian woman fighter pilot. Then जैसा मैंने मेंशन किया, हर वुमेन को यहाँ पे प्रेजेंट कर पाना पॉसिबल नहीं है, तो यहाँ पे मैंने कुछ पिक्चर्स ऐड किए हैं. So I would love if you drop a comment by writing their name and the contribution that they had done for our society. Then as I mentioned, I am a student of PMC Kendriya Vidyalaya Panagarh, and our school has also the perspective that women plays a significant role and we should progress them by providing a sort of very basic requirements such as self-defense and a very great source of education and all that. So as I have added some clips. सेल्फ डिफेंस के लिए उन्हें अवेयर कर रहे हैं और उन्हें प्रैक्टिस भी करवा रहे हैं. तो बेसिकली द थिंग इज women plays as I mentioned, women is a very inevitable part of our society. हमारी आधी जनता women है, तो इट्स बेटर कि हम उन पे इन्वेस्ट करें. और इन्वेस्ट इन द सेंस ऐसा नहीं कि सिर्फ पैसों में इन्वेस्ट करें, इन्वेस्ट हर एस्पेक्ट में करें. एजुकेशन में करें, उनका हेल्दी लाइफस्टाइल बनाने के लिए करें, उन्हें अच्छा खाना, न्यूट्रिशन खाना हम उन्हें प्रोवाइड करें, और फिर हर जो बेसिक रिक्वायरमेंट है उन सब में इन्वेस्ट करें. सो द थीम ऑफ दिस ईयर इज टू इन्वेस्ट इन वुमेन to accelerate our progress of our nation. With this, thank you.